Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can add shapes in this Microsoft Word document here. The shape. So the first thing you want to do, come right up here, insert. We're going to click on word insert. If you notice right above illustration, the word shape, so we're going to click it right here. Very important. Notice there's several types of shape actually come down. Right? If you notice this square box right here, if I hold on the left side of the touch bar of the mouse, I'm going to draw it like that. That's exactly how it looks like. Here I can actually change the color. If you notice right up here, if I put the cursor right here, notice it actually changed right here. But if I come right at this little drop down box right here, right, let me move it that you can actually see it over here. Can notice it can actually move. Let's go back on this drop down box here. You notice the color change. You can actually do different changes in it and all of that, different colors and all of that. Here you can actually change it just like that. Alright, good. So notice, come back out here, we're going to click, and we're going to use a circle this time. Notice, this is set with the circle. We can actually come like that to the circle. We can actually change the color of the circle. We can come right back here. We can actually do the same thing with the circle. Yes. We can also right click and copy the circle right here. We can come right here, right click. We can actually come like this and paste it just the same. There you go. You can actually do the same thing and actually paste it. Right? So what if I put these two circles together like that? You notice if I put these two circles together, I wanted to join all of them. Right? Let me right click again and then get two more. Right? Notice this is the next one. Right click again, I'm going to get two. So notice, let me put them together now. Just like that. You notice all of my circle right here. Right? But you notice they're not moving. So I have to wrap them by right click. I'm going to go down here to wrap text. You want to click on behind text. Alright, notice this one moving. Alright, this one right not moving because you are copied. So I have to wrap text it. Alright, for it to move completely. Alright, very important. You have to wrap text it. So notice everybody start to move now. Good. So you want to position them just like this. So while you position them now, definitely like this, you're going to look at it and see how we can group all of these circles together. Yes. So in order for us to group all of these circles together, the first thing we wanted to do, let me position it up some more, is to click on one. You notice to click on one. The next thing you wanted to do, hold down the shift key. Then you click on all. You notice all of them highlight one time. But if you notice right up here at the top of the screen, format, you want to click on the word format. Notice when you click on the word format, alright, let me go back on that name again. Click. Good. Notice you come right up here, say arrange here. Notice it's a rotate, it's a group. So if you're going to click right here, go find here. Notice it's a group. As soon as I click group, if you notice, everything group. So this is the way you can actually do that. And if you come right up here, notice, right here, you notice, shape, and if I come on this shut down box right here, and I come like that. You notice the shape cannot change colors, you notice. Nice, wonderful, you notice, everything changed, just like that. Yes, very important. You can also come right here, next formatting right here. You can actually come right here, say shape field, come down to texture, right, and notice, you can actually give it a nice shade to the background. That's very important. So this is some of the way you can actually use shape inside there. Like you can come back again, use different type of shape in it. Like you can use the smiley face right here. So hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.